Ah. Ah. I think I need more rice. But okay. Oh, hope it doesn't leak. So I ordered crafty crab for our lunch today, and I'm excited. Hopefully it did not spill. Everything is good. Ah, look at that. What is this? We have the gloves in here. I cook rice though. Have my drink. Have my lemon in here and some stuffs. Oh my gosh! And this is the first time that I'm gonna have a crab in the US. I'm so excited. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, okay. Like that. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, stop the funny moment because I'm really hungry now. I am so hungry. So let's see what we've got. This is it, pancit. Oh, I forgot this one. Alright, what is this? Chris didn't know that I ordered it. Oh my god. So this is how their oyster looks like in here. I am so excited. Literally, I'm so excited. So this would be our eating thing. Look at this. Pancit. I don't want to. Look at this oyster. Why the oyster in here is cold? Why need it to be cold? Mm-hmm. On the oyster, and this is it. I couldn't. Okay, I couldn't wait for Chris anymore. I'm just so excited. And this is the first time I do like with my hands. Like I am a Filipina, so I ain't gotta use the gloves because we're used to it. And it's been how many years since I did this one like this. Okay, I'm tasting the oyster even though I have the rice. Definitely it tastes so different in the Philippines because I tasted oyster, it's really fresh, and this one I think they just, because they have the ice in here, so it kind of tastes different, but it still satisfies my cravings for an oyster, I should say. So I'll just go ahead and eat. That's what it says. Okay, you have an option. It's either you want the headless or you want with head. So I prefer to have a head because I want the head part. So good. Oh my god. Oh. I feel like I'm in
I feel like I'm in heaven.
No kidding, I feel like I'm in heaven. This is how my first salary looks like. Well, literally, this is really my first time to have this kind of food here in the United States because, well, Chris kept on asking me if I would like what food would I love, but it's just me who doesn't want him to order the food because it's too expensive, and I don't want him to spend that much of money. For me, it's expensive, okay, compared to the because I always keep comparing the food in the Philippines, the price of the food here and in the Philippines. So I really don't want him to literally spend money for this one. But since I get a part-time job, this is the first time that I have to told him I ordered the food. He just says okay. He didn't ask, but he probably has an idea because I don't really order food. It's always Chris who ordered the food. So this is so good. Oh my god, it's just so good. Look at that. I feel like even my family is not here. I feel like they were here. I feel like my mom was sitting in there, my sister was sitting in there. Because this is usually how we eat in the Philippines, with the like this shrimp and the crab. And they definitely knew that I was a fanatic of seafoods. Literally everything. Good thing I actually didn't have a dinner last night. I don't have a breakfast, and this was a lunch, but it was so light already because it's already 1 o'clock, past 1 o'clock p.m. And oh my god, this is so good. I can only have the oyster because Chris is he cannot have the oyster. It's not like I'm greedy about the oyster. Let me check this. OMG. Yes, this is just so good. It's so good. And the crab. Look at this. Oh, this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to miss my... Ooh, look at that. I have to dip it. Look at this wine. But I want to give him. Look at her. It's a different... I think I need more rice. But... just recording myself. Chris is still busy working in there. So, meanwhile, no, I don't even know how to open this one though. Ooh, look at that. The sauce tastes so good. I'm not used to break this kind of big, because we just have the crab leg in the Philippines is just small. This is so big. This is huge. I don't know how they open this thing in here, but me, my teeth is strong. Oh wow, so good. I feel like I'm starved. So good.
Okay.
I didn't make that over rice. I had twice already.
Earlier lunch, and this is my dinner as well because Chris didn't really like it because I ordered a super spicy, a fire, what do you call this one? It's just so super spicy for him. He couldn't take it, so I am just the only one eating this one. I'm sorry, Chris. I really don't know. All I wanted is spicy, and this is perfect. Oh, quite good. Yes, they're welcome.
So that was it. I basically I'm relaxing now because I'm so full. I'm so full for lunch and I'm so full for my dinner. So, salamat sa inyo guys. Salamat sa inyong pagsuporta parate. Thank you, thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.